What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm actually gonna update you a little bit on the daily, because for a long time I haven't uploaded anything related to the daily, and today I'm gonna lift it slightly with about 5 centimeters, which is not going to be that much, but it will be a noticeable difference. And I'm going to let you know what I've done in the past weeks to it, because we really had a lot of things that needed to be done. So like the video, because this really helps the channel, and share and subscribe. It's highly appreciated. Enjoy. So I fitted the one side, now I'm gonna do the same thing on the other. This one is a bit rusty, but never mind. Yeah. Now I'm gonna film this because I didn't film the other side. So I messed up a little bit, and now I'm gonna have to sort this shit out, because this is not how it's supposed to be. I'm doing some ghetto ass shit. Let me show you. So we compressed the springs. Now we just boop like this, and we uncompress them. Now I'm gonna drop her, measure it to see how much I need to adjust the front, and I'm going to show you how to adjust the front as well. Noticeably higher in the rear. It's not exactly 5 centimeters, it's more of a 4, because I made some adjustments. But yeah, I'm now gonna check it to see if it's level. Now, the Frontera uses a torsion bar front suspension. So in order to lift it, there are adjustment nuts here. So it's basically this. This is the torsion bar itself. You turn it and you get a lift. So basically it's roughly 7 millimeters per quarter of a turn. So now I'm gonna tie them and see if we're gonna get where we need to be. Okay, so my mistake, basically one full turn goes 1/4 of an inch, which is 7 millimeter. So yeah, I just did 2 full turns on side. We're gonna drop it, measure it, and see where we're standing. So it's very important to not overdo it, because otherwise we're just gonna start going through drive shafts all the time. I just changed mine last week, so yeah. Okay, and that's done. So it's 38 centimeters both sides on the front and 39 centimeters both sides on the rear. Basically, we started on 34 on the rear and 36 on the front. I'm pretty happy with the result. Yeah, one other thing that I did, I installed a LED bar, which is, yeah, I'm gonna need to disassemble it so I can seal it better, because it's getting a lot of water in it. Not water, but condensation. And yeah. Okay, so here is a quick before and after of the lift. It's not much, but it's really noticeable and I'm really happy with it. I got a bit carried away and really forgot to end the video. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with the lift, and yeah, soon just expect videos with the MX-5, as I have a lot of them ready, but I just haven't edited them yet because I lost some footage and then I made some footage again. So stay tuned, like, share, subscribe, and see you next time.